Hi, Chris here from DotProduct demonstrating the DP import procedure to bring DotProduct point cloud data into an existing Rhino project. Users can easily import DP data using the free DotProduct for Rhino plugin. However, when you're bringing it into an existing project that's not in millimeters, such as this one here, as you can see, is in inches, it can cause some scaling issues. So there's a quick step that you can do to resolve that by bringing the DP data into a standalone project first and then importing that into Rhino. So my next step is going to be to open a new Rhino project with units of millimeters. Then with this new millimeter unit specified project, I can open my DotProduct DP scan file directly into the new project. Now here we see that full color DotProduct point cloud scan directly in Rhino. And the next step is going to be to save this DotProduct scan file out as a Rhino 3DM project file. So I'll do save, and then I'll just name this as DP scan millimeter, for example, as a .3dm file and hit save. Now I want to open up that original project again, shellback.3dm. This is my inches-based model file. And now here we see that original model file, and I'm going to open up my new 3DM file and import that directly into this project. So I select import and then that new file, dpscan.mm. And now that will come directly into my existing Rhino project with the proper scaling, even though it is an inches project versus millimeters. For any questions, please visit dotproduct3d.com or feel free to contact us at support@dotproduct3d.com.